Hey everybody, I bet you're wondering why are you on the floor right now? Well, this brings me to tip or hack number 1. You ever noticed with guitar picks how, you've been playing them for a while and you get the worn out ends on them? They kind of start to round over. You don't get that nice point anymore. And you're like, I'm gonna throw it away. Don't throw it away. Check this out. All you need is a carpet or a rug and your guitar pick. You're gonna take your guitar pick and you're gonna slide it in a downward motion, pushing almost like you're sharpening a knife on the ends with it in your hand. And you can start to see that point come back. Isn't that pretty sweet? See that? Nice. Here's another one. See how we're rounded on the end here? Get that point back to it. You can see you get that point back to it, which is pretty sweet. So I use this one all the time. This is an amazing hack. It doesn't cost anything. All you need is a rug or a carpet and a guitar pick. So yeah. You know how sometimes when you're tightening and loosening your guitar strings, you can get creaky noise like that. You're like, is it gonna break? I don't know. Well, that brings me to my next tip. This little guy right here is your best friend. Just a simple number 2 pencil. This can do wonders for your strings. So all you need is a little bit of pencil lead right in the nut slot. Make sure your pencil's pretty sharp so you can get it down in there. Put a little bit of pencil lead in there. And that's just going to reduce the friction and allow the strings to slide through the nut slot. Come down to the saddle, and you're going to want to do the same thing at the saddle as well. Just find your slots where your strings rub off across the saddle, and you're just going to lightly put some pencil lead in there. This is a good quick fix. Tip number 3. You ever had a tough time trying to get your knobs off of your guitar? You just can't seem to get your nails underneath them. You want to change them out or do some work on them. Maybe the plastic pickguard protector is still around the edge and you can't get it off. There's an easy way to do it. You don't have to buy the special tool to do it. All you need is your shoelace. Pull it up underneath the actual knob and pop up. That's all you need. The easiest way to get these off. So yeah, hope these tips help, and yeah, more coming.